So yeah, all is working now, and I was doing this problem of climbing stairs, this one, and I'm trying to get the logic behind it. So I'll be grabbing my tablet and try to write it down. Yeah, so hopefully we're still recording. So suppose we are at step 0, and we can go two ways. Either we need a target, right? So suppose we need to go to the step 1, then only one way is possible, that is one step at a time to step 1. If the target is step 2, then either we can go this, okay, we can either go this one way, or just jump to the second way. So two ways. Now if you want to go to the step 3, right, then either you are at step 1, or you are at step 2, right, or you are at ground. Three things are possible. So from to reach step 1, the total number of ways is 1. To reach step 2, total number of ways is 2, right? So total number of ways to reach step 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, suppose you want to go to step 4, right? So to reach till step 3 is 3 ways. To reach till step 2 is 2 ways. Then total number of ways you can reach step 4 is going to be 5. Right? This is what I have written here. So if you're getting confused, we can, I was confused, so I got the solution in this way. I'll explain. First step, second step, third step, right? And let's take out the basic solution. Reach the step 1, one possible way. I'll write the ways in green, one possible way. To reach step 2, two possible ways. And to reach step 3, either you will be at step 1 already, so that you can jump to 3, right? 2 steps by skipping 2 steps, or you are at step 2. Either you are at step 3 or you are at step 2. Okay, or you are at step 2. Now to reach step 1, we have already used 1 ways, and to reach step 2, we have already used 2 ways. So total number of ways is 1 plus 2 to reach step 3. Getting my point? So now point is not clear. See, you are already at step 1, and you have already done what you have already done. You have already done the number of ways you can reach step 1, right? So from step 1 you can reach step 3. That is not you are going to count, right? By reaching, so it will be counted. No. How many ways were you at step 1 and how many ways were you at step 2? Because in the next step you are already 3, so that is not counted. It is counted like this. Suppose you are at 0th step and you are at 1. How many ways, right? So you are already here, 0 steps. Now how many ways can you go to step 1, right? There only one way. So we have done one. Okay, one way. Now step 2. Again, you are at 0. How many ways can you go to step 2? So these are our base conditions. Okay, how many ways can we go to step 2? First is this. If we are already at 1, okay, if we are already at 1, we can go to step 2. So this is one way, means this is one of the way, but not one number of ways. And this is another way, not number of ways. So one way is to go from 1 and other way is to go from 0. Okay, so we got two ways. So I mean 1 plus 1, one way is from 0, 1 plus 1 is from 1. Okay, and to come here we have done no mehnat, right? No extra efforts. To effort to reach this place was 1, right? And sorry, jump is not possible from 0th step, I believe, or is it? Yeah, yeah. So we are counting the, oh yeah, that is the difference, that is the game actually. So we can say we can reach to from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, right? 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, but we have already counted 0 to 1, and one way is 0 to 1 to, sorry, another way which we have not counted, 0 to 2. So this one was already counted, so this is redundant, no need to count because we are doing only one step. Now we can add both of the ways, that equals to 2. Because similarly we want to go to the step 3. Let me do it. So we are already, suppose we are already at step 2, then this is done. Like we are 0 to 1 to 2, right? This is already there. 0 to 2 is already there, means two ways. And from if you count from if you're step 1, the only one way was there, 0 to 1. Now can you reach from here? Yes, true. Can you reach from here? Yes, true. Can you reach from here? Yes, true. So we will be adding these three. So number of total ways equals 3. Getting a point. Now when you are at 3, you already have all these plus previous step, that is 0 to 1 to 2, then 0 to 1, 0 to 2, right? You're already so you will be at step 3, right, at some point, but this is right now it's step 2. Now at step 3 you are 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, then 0 to 2 to 3, then 0 to 1 to 3, right? So these many ways are there. Now when you are 3, this many ways you tried. When you are 2, this many ways you tried. This is one way which you can try. This is another way which you can try to go to 4, right? So you just add them up. Now I got it, I believe. Yeah. If you don't get it, just let me know. Maybe I'll help you. But I got it. Maybe I will be able to explain to someone who asks. Fine. Let me see if it is recorded. Yeah, it is recorded, right? Alright. Actually, I was recording this earlier. It got disturbed by something, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, audio was not working. Let's close it. So yeah, I think that screen's got recorded. Now let's see if now again did we recorded everything? Yeah, yes. Okay, that is good. Now I could pause the recording and checked. Anyway, fine. Um, Let me write down the code in this case. Either we can use an array, right? Or we can use three variables. Let's say int a equals one way to reach step 1, int b equals 2 ways to reach step 3. If n equals 1 or n equals, let me say if n is less than equal to 3, return n, right? And a and b I have written already. So let's say we know like to reach step 2 2 step, to reach step 3 3 steps. Now for int I equals let's start from 4, equals 4. Okay, I should be less than equals to n I plus plus, then int answer equals 0. Let's do this. Answer so we'll be storing b into a, so a equals b, and what we'll storing in b will be equal to a plus b. Alright, so we'll need on some temporary variable int t equals b. Right, and answer equals b. Maybe not optimize, I'll see. Return b. Not accepted. Let me add some more test case. If it is 19, and let's do the test edge case, that is 45. Maybe hopefully there's no overflow. I can also do it using array, I believe. So yeah, that's it for this question. I will start another video.